Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. I'm in the kitchen, obviously, but I got a small chub of hamburger here, and I'm not sure if you can make out the size on it here, but it's 9.72 pounds of 90% lean. So, and I got the one of my cast iron skillets here on the induction hot plate. So I'm going to be browning up a bunch of it. Some of it I'm just going to brown plain. Some of it I'm going to be doing adding taco seasoning and stuff to it. And I'll figure out, I may even make some hamburger patties at the same time. So I'm going to get this done here. I think I may fast forward through a bunch of it. I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. I don't want to make you go, man, it's taking a long time for the hamburger to brown. So during editing, I'll probably cut stuff out and just go do some fast forwarding. But I will show you when I add seasonings to it, what I'm adding to it, so you know what's going on. All right? First off, I got to turn it on. I should have done that earlier. All right, get that warming up. Go ahead and cut this open. Okay. Yeah, a little bit more. So what I'm using here, you know, some of you have probably seen these around. They're a multi-sided little thing. You just mash down on it. It breaks up the hamburger a lot easier. And I also have the front. Let's see if I can tip it down here for you. In the front here, I have a spacer in there to lift the front end up, so all the grease will drain to the back of the pan. Let me just bring this over here a little bit closer here and turn it around here. There we go. Probably put about 2.5 pounds of hamburger in here, and that's what I'm going to be working with. I'm going to let it brown a little bit. I'm going to bring some of the spices out and get the stuff set up over here for the next load. Now for the plain ground beef, I'm going to add a little of the Lowry's seasoning salt to it. For some of the others here, I have Kinder's taco blend. I also have Kinder's wood-fired garlic, so that'll be good. And then I just have some onion powder and garlic powder I'll add to it as well, different ones. But for this one here, I'm just going to add the Lowry seasoning salt. That's what the whole family likes. Just a little bit on there. There we go. That'll do it. So it's going to take a while, so I'm going to fast forward for you so you don't have to watch it all in slow motion like. That's what it feels like when I got the camera going. It feels like it's going slow motion on cooking. Okay, I've took it off the tripod, but I want to show you, I'm not sure if it's how well it's going to show. It might show better there. The grease is running out of it because it's tilted that way. So the grease is slowly running out over that way there. I put it into a container and I toss it in the freezer. What I'll do with these, I will, when I want to do some hamburger help or whatever, I'll pull one of these out to frost it and just add it to the hamburger helper. I'm just going to go ahead and put this back in the fridge for now. One of the things how we like to do, we just kind of twist it and put a clothespin on it. The whole process over again. This one here, I think I'm going to make it taco seasoning. So I'll add that to it in just a little bit. Garlic. And a bit more onion too. I'm pushing the meat around to pick up whatever sprinkling in that went off on the pan, not on the meat. So I'm gathering it up here off the sides. Just going to let it simmer. Okay, the camera didn't turn on when I was packaging this. This I was putting it with blue lids. This is the taco seasoning, so I know the taco seasoning has blue. The red has just the regular ground meat. And in the morning, I'll continue this video. I'll do the rest of it in the morning. All right, so I finished everything off here. all 9.74 pounds of hamburger. And so I got 10 containers here, so they're just under a pound each. I got got them set up in different type containers for what I have here, and they even got some of them marked, for like the wood-fired garlic for that one, and I know what the regular ones are and stuff. So basically, I'm set here for I can do 10 meals, and I don't have to worry about cooking it up. I can just pull it out, toss it in the fridge the night before, and then I'm ready to do a dinner the next night. All right, so as always, everyone stay happy, stay safe, keep on prepping, and stock up your pantry and learn how to use everything in it. Take care.